Okay, this is a 1937 Buick. This is not the original color. It's original badging. From what I understand, this car was restored in 1974 and originally was black. And I hear that's the only color these were available in. Has the rear split window. It's tail lights and gas cap, which is chrome. Chrome bumper. Big chrome bumper. And the license plate sits off to the driver's side. Love how the hood opens on these cars. This used to have a blower on it. Doesn't anymore. Has a 350 crate engine. And it does have a back seat. And this is not original, completely inside. Air conditioner has been added. I believe this is an original piece. It's a 1937 Buick Special Coupe. Wood steering wheel. One funny thing, I don't know where the lever is for it, but these cars did not come, of course, with air conditioning then. Yeah, I don't know where the lever is. Oh, check out the little windshield wipers, one for each window. It is a split window in the front too. But this actually works fairly well as an air conditioner. This vent on the front, this pops up and lets air rush into the cabin. And even on hot days, it is still a decent air conditioner. There's an original Body by Fisher emblem. But in a day and age where all the cars are looking similar and the same, this is just a beautiful car. It's really, really something special. Yeah, I mentioned it was restored in '74. And since '74, it really hasn't been touched. And this is what you've been waiting for. Great sound from a beautiful car. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.